Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you remove or delete a student in your Teachable account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a student in your Teachable course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some students are more disruptive than others, and maybe they're not a good fit for your course, so sometimes it's better just to go ahead and remove them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and remove a student, here on the left side, you're going to click on Users. Once you click there, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you want to make sure you're clicked on Students. Once you do that, you're going to see a list of your students. So you can see I just have one. If you have a huge list, you can go ahead and use the search bar and search by their name or email. Once you found the student that you want to go ahead and remove, go ahead and check the box next to their name. Once you do that, you're going to see this little menu pop up, Bulk Actions. Once you click on there, you're going to get a few different options. So you can simply unenroll them from the course. However, if you are no longer going to communicate with them, you might want to go ahead and just delete them in whole. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove a student or delete a student in your Teachable course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.